Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we are continuing with lesson number 3, part 3, that is in PowerPoint, tables and borders, right. So, let us first open PowerPoint. Okay. In previous class we studied how to add tables, right. So, we go to insert. Okay. If I want to remove this, click add title. What I'll do? I'll just select this box and I'll click on delete button. See, if I want a blank page, what I'll do? I'll select this box, then I'll click on delete button from the keyboard. Now I have got the plain white background, right. Now I'll add the table. I'll go to insert tab, select the table option and just select the cells how much I want, right. Okay. Then we already saw how to apply borders, right, how to change the different colors, right, like this here, what all type of table color you want. Now today we are going to study how to apply some effects. So for that again you need to select this design tab itself, and in that you can see here effects. This effects, what does it do? It adds visual effects to the table such as the shadow or reflection. We'll just click on this small arrow you can see over here. When you click on that small arrow, you get three options, that is cell bevel, shadow and reflection. You can select whatever effect you want. See, if I am selecting this, see, cell bevel, see, you can see some changes that is taking place in the table, right. See, like this is cell bevel. Now if I want to create some shadow, see, you can see some changes taking place in the table. See, that is shadow, right, like this. The next we have is let us try some reflection over here. See, I'll try some reflection. You can see some reflections under the table. See, like this. That is the reflection part. See, you can see the reflection. So this is how you add some effects to the table. Okay. Now let us see how to insert picture and clip art. To insert a picture, you will go to insert tab, right. Obviously, picture insert करना है तो हमें insert tab में जाना पड़ेगा. Click on this insert tab and here you can see the picture option, right. Select this picture option. It will ask you to find the place from where you want to insert the image. So here just open the folder or the file where you have saved the image. I have saved over here. Let me take this image. I'll double click on this or else सिर्फ इसको एक बार क्लिक करके insert option पे क्लिक करूँगी. तो see, I have got the picture. I can even resize this picture, right. Picture मुझे छोटा करना है, बड़ा करना है, see like this. I'll select this, mouse यहाँ पे लेके जाऊँगी corner में और see, छोटा कर सकती हूँ इसको. I can make it bigger. Then even with a mouse I can move it from one place to another wherever I want, right. I can even insert more than one images also. For that same what I'll do, same procedure, I'll click on insert button, I'll select the picture option, then I'll select the another picture and see one another picture is here. You can drag the picture wherever you want with the help of the mouse. See, this is how you insert a picture. Now let us try to insert, let us learn to insert how to insert a clip art. So for that same procedure, you will select the insert tab. From that you can see the second option, that is clip art. Click on clip art. See, द क्लिप आर्ट विंडो, राइट साइड पे एक छोटा सा विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा, क्लिप आर्ट का विंडो। यहाँ पे जो भी आपको चाहिए, जो भी टाइप का इमेज चाहिए वो आप यहाँ पे सर्च कर सकते हो। सपोज आई वांट द इमेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर, सो आई राइट डाउन कंप्यूटर एंड आई क्लिक ऑन गो बटन। गो बटन पे क्लिक करूंगी तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो भी इनबिल्ट पावर पॉइंट में पहले से ही जो इमेजेस कंप्यूटर के डाले हुए हैं, सिर्फ वही हमें यूज़ करने के लिए मिलेंगे। सी लाइक दिस, आई कैन स्क्रॉल एंड आई कैन गेट दी इमेजेस लाइक दिस। अभी इसको यहाँ पे लाने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगी, आई जस्ट डबल क्लिक करना है और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। सी, मुझे ये दूसरा चाहिए, आई डबल क्लिक। सी, ये चाहिए, डबल क्लिक। फिर क्या करेंगे, इसको अलग अलग जगह पे शिफ्ट कर देंगे। देखा, दिस इज हाउ यू insert a clip art. If I want some picture of suppose car, so what I'll do, I'll write down here car and I'll click on go. See, here I have the pictures of car. See, you got? Then here I can just shift all of them with the help of the mouse. Understood? Okay. अगर मुझे इसमें से कोई डिलीट करना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी, सिंपली जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट और कीबोर्ड से डिलीट बटन पे क्लिक करोगे। सिलेक्ट डिलीट बटन, सिलेक्ट डिलीट बटन, सिलेक्ट डिलीट, सिलेक्ट डिलीट. This is how you can delete a clip art. Understood? So that's all for today. We'll continue with other topics in the next class.